So today we are going to continue work on the IS, and we already took the subwoofer out and everything. I'm probably going to take the spare tire out and a whole bunch of other stuff in the back, just so we can get some more weight reduction going. So I'm working on taking the front bumper off because the front and rear bumper both have a little bit of damage to them, which I already have Bondo fiberglass, so I can easily fix both of them. And while they're off, I'm also going to paint all of the vents black, like all the mesh parts black. So yeah, since the front bumper sticks out so far, that means we have plenty of room to put a fat nickel right here, guys. And yep, that means we'll be good to turbo. What I'm gonna do now is start taking the front inner fenders off, because those are gonna be gone anyways once it's done. Because the wheels will not be able to get to full angle without rubbing the crap out of these plastic inner fenders, which they already rub. So we're going to work on getting those off now. But as you can see, there's still a lot of grime in here that I'll need to clean up and fix, which I can do. As you can see, I have started stripping the interior and the rear. You've already seen these clips. The spare tire's out. Got subwoofers out of here. We already got some of the carpeting out. We got it out up here. I'm working on getting this piece out right here on this side. Soon all of this will come out. And then inside the car, the entire back interior is going to come out. And most of the front is going to come out as well. Those are going to replace with racing seats. I'm going to keep the dash in here for sure. But yeah, a lot of stuff's going to come out. We just sanded down the front lip of the bumper, part of the front bumper, to expose the cracks in the fiberglass, just to see how deep they go. And what I'm going to do is, because I already know there's a dent right here with some cracks in it, and there's this crack right here. So what I'm going to do eventually, I'm not going to do it now because it's stupid hot out. I honestly can't believe I was able to do this much stuff, guys. Like, after this year that I've had, I just come out here and do what I was doing before any of this even happened. It's the best feeling in the world, I gotta tell you. But what I'm gonna do is kind of like clean this out like what I did in my Supro dashboard. Like make a nice groove in it. And I have to get it on the back side too. And then I have fiberglass Bondo in the basement. And what I'm gonna do is clean all this out and then put some new fiberglass on it, on the outside and on the inside too. But yeah, and then that one we're gonna do the same thing though. I'm all sweaty and gross and dirty, but goddamn, it feels so good to be doing this again. I'm building the Supra, all that fun stuff, and then going into the hospital with a heart transplant that is very odd and went horribly wrong. And the chances of me surviving were not very likely. But here I am today doing what I was a year ago. Sanding stuff, working on my car. It's so awesome, guys. Thank you so much to everyone that's been supporting this channel. Little Speed Shop, all my amazing, wonderful nurses on 9 Tower. I love all you guys. Everybody that's been supporting us, thank you. More transplant videos will be coming, for sure, and more car videos, because now I can do this again. Hell yeah. Keep kicking ass, guys. I'll see you in the next video.